Transform your video's ending from jarring to polished with a smooth audio fade out in Premiere Pro. First, locate the audio clip you want to fade out at the end of your video in the timeline. You'll see its audio waveform. The key to fading out is using audio keyframes. You'll notice a thin horizontal line running through the middle of your audio clip's waveform. This line represents the audio's volume level. To create the start of your fade, hold down the Command key on your keyboard, or Control if you're on Windows, and click directly on that horizontal line. Somewhere before the very end of your clip, this places your first keyframe, marking the point where your fade will begin. Now, move your cursor to the very end of the audio clip. Just before it cuts off, click on the horizontal line again, this time without holding down the Command or Control key. This creates your second keyframe, marking the ultimate point of your fade. With your second keyframe selected, click and drag it downwards. You'll see the horizontal line in between your two keyframes angled down, indicating the volume is decreasing. Drag that second keyframe all the way down to the absolute bottom of the audio clip's waveform. This ensures your audio track reaches complete silence. You've now created a custom audio fade-out. Play back your video to hear the smooth transition. Alternatively, Premiere Pro offers a quicker method known as the Exponential Fade in the Effects panel. Navigate to Audio Transitions, then Dissolve. Find the Exponential Fade transition and simply drag and drop it onto the end of your audio clip. On the timeline, Premiere Pro automatically creates a smooth fade-out for you. This transition provides a natural-sounding decline in volume. You can adjust the duration of the fade by simply dragging the edge of the transition in the timeline. Both methods will give your video a professional polish by eliminating abrupt audio endings. Experiment with both to find which works best for your project.